Hey guys, it's me Trixie, and today we're doing Shopkins Chef Clubs. And we also have these Shopkins ornaments. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's open them up. I think we should open up these first. Ooh! Ooh, we got a sweater. Well, this list is so short. So we got Rudolph's sweater. I think it's because it has two little tiny antlers on it. And then the next Shopkin is it is a little ice cream, it looks like. Okay. This is holiday cupcake ornament. And then let's see what the next ornament is. Do this one. Okay. Ooh. It looks like a beautiful holiday dress. I wonder what it is. Not that. It's right there. It's Christmas. We got Chrissy Carol dress. That seems really cool and it's so beautiful. Okay, the next one is this one. Ooh, looks like two little bows right next to each other in this one. Okay. Okay, this one's Belle Anna sweater. That is really cool. Okay. So let's go on to the Chef Clubs pack. Okay. Wonder what this one is. Okay, this is Herb L tea bag. It's Herb L tea bag. That's cool. So this one's Herb L tea bag. That's cool. Ooh, this one looks like butter. And it is Bessie Butter. This one is Bessie Butter. That's really cool. As in cheese. Cheese. Okay, where would be a recipe use cheese in? Cookies, cupcake princess, sugar egg muffin, lemon and honey tea, cheese. So Parmesan Pete. This one is Parmesan Pete. That's cool. And this one looks like chocolate sauce. I think it'll be down here. This one's little chalk bottle. That's so cute. And then it's time for the book of recipes. Okay, what did we get in our book? We got breakfast muffin. That's cool. Looks like a meal. It's a meal! This is my first meal. What meal is it? I sort of seen this meal. It is this is sweet honey and it's a rare. So guys, today I really hope you liked the Shopkins. All the Shopkins I got. My favorite was sweet honey, and then I really like the Rudolph sweater. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, it's me, Trixie, and today we're gonna open up Chef Club Shopkins plus some little cute I do have Chef Club in my mind. Hey guys, it's me, Trixie, and today we're doing Shopkins Chef Club, and we also have two little Chef Club ornaments. Okay, this one is little choky bottle.